you have already learned that multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So if you have a number which you want to add again and again, instead of adding it again and again, you can multiply the number, or you can use multiplication or the multiplication tables. So let us see. Over here, there are so many balls. How many balls are here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. So if you want to find how many balls are here in total, what will you do? Will you carry out this addition, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? Will you do that? Well, now since you know that repeated addition is multiplication, you are not supposed to add 4 so many times and give the answer. This is 4 added to itself 4 times. So 4 is added to itself how many times? 4 times. So this is 4 into 4. This 4 is for number of times 4 is being added. So 4 into 4 or 4 times 4. Now how do I find this 4 into 4 or 4 multiplied by 4? For that, I need the multiplication table of 4. So let us make a multiplication table of 4. Now how do we start when we make a multiplication table? So 4 into 1. What is 4 into 1? That is 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So 4 into 1 is 4. Then this 4 remains the same into 2. So the 1 keeps on increasing. This number keeps on increasing by 1. 4 into 2 is 4 added twice. 4 added twice is 4 plus 4, which is 8. So 4 into 2 is 8. Next we have 4 into 3, which is 4 added thrice. Now 4 added thrice or 3 times is 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4 is 12. So 4 into 3 is 12. Next we have 4 into 4, which is 4 added 4 times. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 plus 4 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we have 12 plus 4. And what is 12 plus 4? 12 plus 4 is 16. So 4 into 4 is 16. That is what we have here. Next we need to find 4 into 5. Now if you observe, in each step it is increasing by 4. When you go from 1 to 2, it increases by 4. So 4 plus 4 gives us 8. When you go from 2 to 3, it again increases by 4. And similarly, from 3 to 4, it once again increases by 4. So we see in each step, this answer is increasing by 4 because we are adding 4 one more time. So 4 into 5 will be nothing but 16 plus 4. And what is 16 plus 4? 20. So 16 plus 4 gives 20, which is 4 into 5. 4 into 6 will be 20 plus 4, which is 24. 4 into 7 will be 24 plus 4, which is 28. So 4 into 7 is 28. Similarly, 4 into 8 is 28 plus 4, which gives us 32. 4 into 9 is 32 plus 4, which is 36. And 4 into 10 is 36 plus 4, which is 40. So this is the multiplication table of 4. We need only this column. So 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12, till 4 into 10 is 40. Now I can use this to find 4 multiplied any number of times from 1 to 10. So now can you solve this using the multiplication table of 4? Over here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. Each car has 4 wheels. So how many wheels are there in total? So this car has 4 wheels, this car has 4 wheels, 4 wheels, 4 wheels, 4 wheels, 4 wheels. So 4 should be added 6 times. So essentially what we need is 4 into 6 or 6 times 4. And what is 6 times 4? Let us refer to our table. 4 into 6 is 24. So this is equal to 24. So here we have 24 wheels altogether. Now let us come to our initial question of how many balls are here. So we saw that there are 4 balls in each row and there are 4 rows. So we need to add 4 times, or we need to find 4 into 4. And what is 4 into 4? So from the table, 4 into 4 is 16. So over here we have 16 balls. So even without counting, by using the multiplication table of 4, we can find that over here we have 16 balls. Now if you look at your hand, how many fingers do you have in one hand? You have 5 fingers, right? So if I ask you to find how many fingers do you, your friend and your mother have all together, then how many hands are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 hands and each hand has 5 fingers. So this hand has 5 fingers, each hand has 5 fingers. So what I need is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is 5 added 6 times. So will you actually add it to find the answer? Well, no. We will use multiplication, which is 5. How many times? 6 times. So we will use this to find how many fingers do they all have together. So for this we need the multiplication table of 5. Let us make the multiplication table of 5. 5 into 1 is 5. So 5 1 times will be nothing but 5. 5 into 1 is 5. What is 5 into 2? 5 into 2 is 5 added 2 times. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is 5 into 2. What is 5 into 3? It is 5 added 3 times. Now 5 plus 5 is 10 and we have plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 into 3 is 15. What is 5 into 4? For that I need to add 5 4 times. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. So 5 into 4 is 20. Now what is 5 into 5? 5 into 5 is 5 added 5 times. But if you observe, in each step, the number is increasing by 5. So 5 into 5 will be 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. And 20 plus 5 is 25. So 20 plus 5 is 25. Similarly, 5 into 6 will be 25 plus 5, which is 30. 5 into 7 will be 30 plus 5, which is 35. 5 into 8 is 35 plus 5, which is 40. 5 into 9 is 40 plus 5, which is 45. And 5 into 10 is 45 plus 5, which is 50. So in each step, the answer is increasing by 5 because one more 5 is added. And this is the multiplication table of 5. So you can use this table whenever you need to add 5 repeatedly. Now, can you tell me how many balls are here without counting them? So we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in each row, there are 5 balls. So we have 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. And how many times? How many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 5 added 6 times. So 5 into 6. 6 times 5 is what we need. And what is 5 into 6? Let us refer to our table. 5 into 6 is 30. So the answer is 30. So 5 into 6 is 30. So you see, even without counting, we have found how many balls are here. There are so many balls, and even without counting, using the multiplication table of 5, we found that here are 30 balls. So let us come back to our original question. How many fingers were there in all the hands? So there are 5 fingers in each hand, and there are 6 hands altogether, and we just saw that 5 into 6 is 30. So there are 30 fingers in all. So you see how we can use multiplication and multiplication tables for simplifying repeated additions. So you must remember the table of 4 and 5 by heart so that you can use them whenever you need to add 4 and 5 repeatedly. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.